Hey y'all, it's Miss T here. After spending over a decade in the cleaning industry, I know the hustle, early mornings, late nights, and the physical toll it takes. But what if I told you there's a way to earn up to $300 a day without lifting a mop or vacuum? I recently discovered the world of field inspections, a flexible, lucrative side hustle that leverages skills we already have. Let's dive into how you can transition from cleaning to inspecting and boost your income. A field inspector is someone who visits properties to assess and document their condition. Think of it as being the eyes and ears for banks, insurance companies, and real estate firms. You're not repairing anything or making sales, just observing, photographing, and reporting. It's straightforward work that pays well. Mortgage inspections, checking if a property is occupied or abandoned. Insurance inspections, documenting damage after events like storms or fires. Commercial equipment inspections, verifying the presence and condition of business equipment. Each type has its nuances, but the core task remains: observe, document, and report. Most inspections pay between $20 and $75, and they typically take 15 to 30 minutes. That means you can complete multiple in a day. With dedication, it's feasible to earn $300 or more daily. It's all about efficiency and planning. Reliable transportation. You'll be traveling to various sites. Smartphone with a good camera, essential for capturing clear photos. Routing app tools like Circuit can help plan efficient routes. Optional, a selfie stick or monopod for hard-to-reach shots, and access to a printer for necessary documents. These are investments that pay off quickly, especially when you're completing multiple inspections daily. Ready to dive in? Here's how to start. Sign up with inspection companies. Platforms like SoFi Inspections and photoinspections.com are great starting points. Complete necessary background checks. Some companies require this for compliance. Set up your tools. Ensure your phone, transportation, and apps are ready to go. Once set up, you'll start receiving assignments in your area. From my experience, here are some tips. Stay organized. Keep track of assignments and deadlines. Communicate promptly. Respond quickly to company inquiries. Maintain professionalism. Dress appropriately and be courteous during inspections. These practices build trust and can lead to more opportunities. Transitioning from cleaning to field inspections has been a game changer for me. It's flexible, pays well, and utilizes skills I already have. Interested in learning more? Subscribe to Mistia_money tips for insights, tips, and guidance on boosting your income through smart side hustles.